Hi, I'm Chandru, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. I've built a personal finance tracker, a command-line application that helps users track, manage, and review their daily expenses, all in a simple and user-friendly way using Python. Let me show you how it works. When you run the program, it greets you and asks, "What would you like to do?" And you can choose to add, view, edit, delete, or generate reports for your transactions. Let's say I choose add. The program asks for the date of the transaction, the amount spent, the category like groceries or travel, and a short description. Once entered, it saves the transaction to a file called transactions.json. This file stores each transaction in JSON format, one line per entry, making it both human-readable and easy to process. Viewing and managing transactions. The view option shows a list of all transactions with their date, amount, category, and description. If I need to correct something, I can use the edit option by entering the date of the transaction and updating the details. There's also a delete function, which removes any transaction by date.